Yo, there's a boy.
We mwega muthikiriria na mwiroreri wa Miaki na Membe TV mwiraga hano ho mucie wigue wi mucie ni njurikaine ta muru wa Kimani. Riu seneta Karungo wa Thang'wa arendekithia mbeca ciothe cia basari cikirwo kiondo kimwe inengerwo ministry ya githomo nayo ikire githomo gitari marihi. Karungo arauga o mubunge ni akoragwo na basari, women rep, MCA, governor ona nginya president arauga basari icio ciothe ingionganirio ni makiria ma bilioni 80 na nishikuigana kuheana githomo gitari marihi. Riu arauga undu uyu no uteithie ciana ciothe na kunyihia ungumania uria uthiaga na mbere wa mamilioni ma mbeca cia basari na kuiyo hamwe. Maundu ni maingi muno aria magikenereirio horo uyu muno makimupongeza tondu ni mabasari nigithia rimwe kora ikaga gukinyira andu amwe na amwe. No riu forum ino Karungo wa Thang'wa aragithi nayo nigutuika maguni muno tondu ni guteithia andu othe hamwe. Turona ni ngurani kuma mundu gwitwo mundu marathime Job Ayub akauga hapo sawa kabisa. Jacinta Favor akauga atiriri gutha tena tano tena. Iwambo kiongozi akauga a nice idea. Stephen Danatugura thutha arauga good great idea muheshe. Ni idea yagukira nayo Karungo wa Thang'wa na yanyitwo no geni muno tondu ni ndumiriri ikiri na pointi njega muno. Heno ngibauta woni wa bata muno oikaine ta Joseph Ndiritu uga he's just taking us for a ride. Why does he have tell us he would have debated this idea in Senate as he influenced his other colleague in Parliament? We have tried of these people telling us what they think need to be done, and are the same people who need to actualize it, yet they have just backing to make us think they are performing. Ni uria wagitika andu ingi na mashaka ya muno tondu mundu akirutaga idea iria akiri nayo muto kana woni uria akiri naguo mutwe. Comment is free to comment. Ihinda ringi twakiumagara.